May I equals
Smijem li?
English Croatian permission made easy. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you and I will unlock May I in Croatian.
Smijem li?
Get ready for quick laughs, clear examples, and confident permission power. Your learning goal. By the end, you'll ask for permission anywhere, without blushing. Say the key phrase.
Smijem li?
Equals polite, may I. Hear the cousin.
Mogu li?
Equals, can I. Ability or casual. Know the stop sign.
Ne smijem.
Equals, I may not. Funny dialogue at the cafe. Join me at a Croatian cafe, you get the best seat with one magic question. You.
Smijem li sjesti ovdje?
Waiter.
Naravno, izvolite.
You, whisper to your coffee, thanks for the
Dozvola.
coffee, you're welcome. You.
Smijem li pitati?
Is Wi-Fi free? Waiter. Yes, and if it breaks, it's probably
Zabranjeno.
to blame the espresso. Just kidding. Friend arrives and knocks on your invisible door.
Smijem li ući?
You, of course, permission granted. Form and feel. Let's keep it simple and friendly. Structure.
Smijem li?
Plus infinitive, e.g.
Smijem li sjesti?
Polite tone. Raise your voice at the end and smile. Synonym contrast.
Smijem li?
Permission, vs.
Mogu li?
Can, ability. Useful verb.
Dopustiti.
Equals to allow. Example, more formal.
Možete mi dopustiti da uđem?
Drill time. Quick call and response, answer out loud. May I sit here? Answer.
Smijem li sjesti ovdje?
May I ask a question? Answer.
Smijem li pitati jedno pitanje?
May I come in? Answer.
Smijem li ući?
May I leave early today? Answer.
Smijem li otići ranije danas?
Culture tip. Politeness wins hearts and seats. Croatians appreciate friendly manners, at doors, cafes, and counters, a simple
Smijem li?
plus, vala, goes far. If someone says,
Zabranjeno.
or you see a no entry sign, you can smile and say, okay.
Ne smijem.
Got it. Lightning quiz. 3 quick checks, ready? How do you politely say, may I, in Croatian?
Smijem li?
Pick the synonym for, can I.
Mogu li?
Negative form for, I may not.
Ne smijem.
Your challenge. You've got this, time to play in the real world. At a door, knock and ask.
Smijem li ući?
At a cafe, gesture to a chair.
Smijem li sjesti ovdje?
With a friend, practice.
Smijem li pitati?
Something silly, then both laugh. Bonus. Contrast with.
Mogu li?
In each. Thanks from Synapse Lingo. Great job today. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Smijem li?
Every day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Croatian lessons, resources, and laughs. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.